my stash. Hurry up a lip now, watch me rock it.
I'm stunting with a muffin. This is awful. Looking at my gifts, I'm like, what up? I got a big box. Nah, it's just stuff Uncle Mac got at a thrift shop. Asked for a car, but it was too damn costly. Instead I got a sock and an old ass Frost.
And dealing meth ain't the same since Breaking Bad came out. Thanks to that show, now the chem lab at the high school's out. Unemployed, struggling, voting Romney, hustling. At the bleach, where's the rest? My roommate passed out in his own.
Just bought my third iPhone, bought like 5 cars, took my Lambo, that's alone, draped in a Gucci coat. Looking at my birthday gifts, mom gave me a sweater. Wait, what the hell is this? Come on, it's only 59 bucks?
Text you hey with 3 Y's, it means that I'm down though. She sends me back, ew, I'm not some easy hoe.
But you are though.
Texting girls, yeah.
I'm gonna buy some games, only got $20 in my wallet. I'm hunting, looking for a trade-in, this is freaking awesome. Golden i64, PlayStation's Jet Moto.
I'm gonna rock this beard, suit up in my big red pants and jacket. Fireside chillin', hot chocolate spillin', I am fucking Santa. I'm gonna rock this beard, suit up in my big red pants and jacket.
I'm gonna cook some snacks with a few titties and some backyard cricket. I'm hungry for sausage and a bunny. Australia Day is awesome.
I dressed your grandpa's way. I'm eating fish fillet. I'm in this big ass cave from that thrift shop down the way. I'm running low on cash.
But wait, I found these $2 jackets.
These special interest groups have kept these laws with bribery. I'm gonna smoke some weed. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm a hunting, looking for a blind shop. This is fucking awesome.